Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to MSME loan apply only way. Start by confirming eligibility and gathering KYC, GST, bank statements, and financials. Choose a lender, compare interest rates and fees, and calculate EMI affordability. Fill the lender's application carefully and upload accurate documents. Follow up promptly on queries, track application status online, and be ready to provide collateral or guarantor details if requested. Gathering documents quickly speeds approval and reduces back and forth. Keep scanned copies of KYC, PAN, and address proof in clear PDF format. Export and label bank statements for the last 6 months and prepare profit and loss summaries. Make sure GST registration and any licensing are current and visible. If the loan needs collateral, have property papers or vehicle documents ready for valuation and verification. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make storing receipts, cash envelopes, and lunch simpler and mess-free. They seal tightly and stack neatly. They also save time when packing for long days managing paperwork or vendors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start online to shortlist lenders, then calculate total cost including processing fee and prepayment charges. Fill the application with accurate business details and upload PDFs labeled clearly. Expect a verification call and possibly a site visit for larger loans. Be cooperative and punctual. Negotiate terms like moratorium or EMI holidays if needed. Once sanctioned, review the sanction letter, accept digitally, and schedule dispersal or document registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.